Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of May. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. For additional readings, you can follow me on Instagram, where the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English. And the link of that is also given in the description box below. So, Pisces, let's get started. Let's see what's there in store for you. Okay. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. Let me see if some card flipped. No. Some card wanted to come out, but it didn't. Okay. So, okay. Wow, what a combination here. Okay, great. Guardians, angels. What is the message from the angels? Okay. Message from the universe for Pisces. Okay. I'm just trying to realize as to what are you up to, Pisces, basically. See, here what is happening is you are definitely, you are happy and you are victorious over something which you are waiting for a long time, actually. That's something like that. So with the Six of Wands, the Emperor and the Nine of Wands, I think you've been waiting for a long time for some sort of decision which was not in your hands basically, and you are victorious in that. So it's coming out as you are happy, you are victorious, you won something which you were waiting for since a long time basically. So you have emerged victorious in something for which you were waiting for since a long time, which can be months, which can be years, it can be anything. So it is something which is you were waiting for a long time and it has happened, and or it's happening, it's a process of it, and you are victorious. So it's like that. But what I am feeling over here is that whatever you were waiting for, that decision was in the hands of somebody else. Or you were dealing with somebody uh, who took a long time in taking this decision. And this person can be your boss. Person can be somebody who has those leadership and dominating type of qualities. This person can be that. This person can be strict, whosoever it was, and that because of this nature of this person, there has been the delay. So the delay is because of this holding back and that nature of this person who actually the decision was not in your hands basically. You were dependent on somebody on that decision. Can be your boss, can be your loved one, can be the person you were dealing with, and now that decision has come in perhaps, and you are happy about it. It can be that. For others, it can be that since now you are happy, you are triumphant, you are victorious in something, you've been chosen a leader perhaps, you've been promoted perhaps, you have been elected as a leader of something, and this has happened after a long time. It can be that also. So again, it will be different for different people, but definitely whatever victory has happened after a long time. Okay, so now over here what I feel is you are very passionate about this victory, and you are now working hard. You want to, if this is a person, you want to move very passionately towards this person. If this is the decision which you are waiting for and the decision has come as a yes, and that is why you are happy. If this was the decision which was pending since a long time and you were waiting for, and it was in the hands of the other person and it has been a yes, and that is why you are feeling happy, and you are moving forward very passionately towards that person or that relationship or whatever it was. It can be that. For others of you, if it's you have become victorious and you have been chosen as a leader after a long time, and now you are moving towards that direction in a very passionate way. You are working very hard on that, and you are building solid foundations on that. You are really working hard in this situation, and you are moving forward in that direction, whatever this victory is for you. Okay, so you basically, it is working hard and building stability. Okay, that's what you are doing over here. So for those of you, maybe if you are elected as a leader or you've been chosen as a leader, you are trying to take a decision moving forward towards that person, and you want to have a committed relationship and a stable foundation with that person. So you're working hard for stability basically. That's what I'm trying to say. And you have emerged victorious in something. Maybe this is the victory, that decision is a yes, or whatever the victory is you were waiting for, and now you are working on that, working hard on that. The King of Swords here, what I feel is, you are being very strategic over here. You are being very strategic, manipulative, or whatever, but you are guarding. You are not being very communicative, sort of cold. Uh, it's something like that, which you are, maybe because you are busy building your foundations. You really don't want any sort of a disturbance or something, and that is why you basically, you are being wise in investing and building up your foundations, whatever these foundations are. And or maybe you get a new idea or something as to how you're supposed to proceed, because it is being followed over here by the Four of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely there is some new offer which is coming your way, which is going to give you a lot of solid foundations and long-term commitments here. And it is something new also. So there is something new also which is coming your way, which is going to give you a lot of stability and emotional fulfillment if you take this. And it is a new beginning which is giving you emotional satisfaction and happiness and a happy family also. I think you are in for a committed relationship, and that is the yes which has come to you perhaps. And here with the High Priestess, you are being very, very intuitive in manifesting this, whatever it was, and you are moving very intuitively, not doing much of an action over here. Basically, whatever you are acting on is according to your intuition, whatever your intuition has to say. You are moving away from, see, what I am feeling here is that, as I have said, that you are very, very guarded, very, very strategic, not letting any, since you are building your foundations, you are very guarded, closed off to people, not uh, letting anybody disturb you, sort of, and too focused on your goals and your stability. And here comes an offer which gives you a lot of happiness. You are using your intuition for that, and you are walking away from the anything which caused emotional turbulence to you. You are walking towards peace. Again, you are very closed off to all the bullshit, all the negativity. Okay, you are closed off to all the negativity. Okay, and this is causing you or giving you a lot of happiness. And with the Judgment, it is something, it is destiny, it is something which has to be it has to be restored. Okay, so I think it was something which was, again, you've been working since a long time, you were waiting for since a long time. Again, it is coming like that, and which is giving you a lot of happiness, perhaps because whatever you were wishing for or you were waiting for, it was in such a long time that you were sick and tired of it, and now things, you had lost even hope of the situation. And now, since it is happening, whatever you wanted, it is a lot of source of lot of happiness to you. Okay, and it has taken a lot of time, that's what I feel. It has taken a lot of time, and that is why you had even lost hope of it, and now suddenly it comes up, so you're very happy about it. That's what I feel. Okay, let me see what are the messages from this. Just see over here, we have a couple. We have the King of Spades and of the same thing. We have the King and the Queen of the Spades. So wisdom, authority is there over here, and intelligence and strategies are here with the Queen of Spades. So it is definitely somebody you are dealing with at the same page. Basically, both of you are at the same page. You are dealing with your uh, counterpart, or you are dealing with somebody who is as good as you are, something like that. It's sort of a power couple type of energy. Okay, so you are dealing with somebody, maybe that is here, Emperor, it also come out. So you are dealing with somebody who is in that authoritative position, and you are your equal parallel, you are parallel to them. So you are dealing with somebody like mirror image of yours. And here with the 6 of diamonds and the 4 of diamonds, what I see here is with the 4 of diamonds, somebody is hesitancy in coming out of or showing your emotions or something like that, or trying to just see, have a watch secretly on someone. And with the 6 of diamonds, it's all about harmony. Just things are getting sort out, they are being sorted out in harmony. Okay, so these both of them are the positive cards. It is public admiration also to some extent, because obviously you are admiring somebody, that is why you are trying to have a look at them without being noticed. It's something like that, or somebody is doing that to you. And here also there is a crown. Okay, so this somebody is not any Tom, Dick and Harry. This somebody is somebody of a good status, because again we have the king, we have the emperor, and we have the king of swords also. So definitely there is somebody else in your scenario who is keeping an eye on you, or you are keeping an eye on them secretly. That's what I'm trying to say. And here it is all about harmony. It is all about sitting on a dining table and dining happily. So it's harmony, it is coordination. I think coordination is being restored, harmony in the relationship is being restored, whatever it is, because this decision has come up which was being awaited since a long time. And the moment you are building up on that, and as you take this offer, things are moving happily in your life. Messenger of action, something new and exciting related to creativity or your career comes to your attention. You feel an eagerness to learn and you are ready to get going. Although you may feel insecure, do it anyway. This card represents someone in your life, or maybe you, who is creative, enthusiastic and fascinated by life and who wants to try everything. So basically it's talking about something new which is happening. You are totally focused. It can be a career, you are building up yourself. Maybe this person is related to your workplace. Okay, so you are building up yourself. It is again also talking about solid stable foundations, which can be materialistic or financial, whatever, but definitely you are building up. You are building up. Number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. So this is the guidance for you overall, Pisceans. You need to see the situation in a different way. You need to see the situation from a fresh perspective, because whatever is happening in your life, do not be biased by anything which was there previously. Just have a new view, just have a new perspective and a new outlook on the situations, and the sun is shining bright. Again, I can see the beautiful sunshine over here, and here we have the sun card also. So happiness is coming in, Pisces. Happiness is definitely coming in. Okay, thank you. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.